taking the crew out, going over to the SM. It's a Sunday, so you know on Sundays everybody goes to the mall. Supermodel number 2's got to get her data moved over from her old iPhone to the new one. I could do it, but I said, you know, they said they'd do it for free. I said, I don't want to be responsible. Maybe I'd mess it up, delete your photos. I said, hell, that's what they do for a living. So we're gonna go over there and get her data moved over onto the new iPhone 13 Pro that she's rocking. My goodness. Fatima is jealous. She's on my butt because she's got an 8 Plus. But hey, life ain't fair. Life ain't fair. That's all I gotta say about that. Folks, thanks for joining us on today's video. Shooting on the GoPro Hero 10 4K 60. Thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. I'm trying to get to 2 million subscribers by tonight. Everybody okay? After 200 pesos of fuel, less than $4 US, somewhere in there, but that pretty much filled that tank up. So yeah, all these beautiful ladies in the dresses are coming out of church right here at the Iglesia de Cristo. Where do you meet a good girl? You know, where do you meet a good lady? Always go to church. That's what your mama and your grandmama will tell you. You want to meet a good lady, you got to meet her in church. There's plenty of churches here in Angeles City. But if the church you're in has got a pole and a stage, you're probably not in the right church to meet a good woman. But hey, life is short. Roll the dice, take a chance, pull the trigger, see where that relationship takes you. But where's a good place to meet a lady? Any country. Go to church. Plenty of beautiful ladies there, and they're always dressed up. Plus, a lot of them can sing. Coming down to the action. It's a Sunday afternoon. What we got going on today? Here's your look over at Astro Park. It's a cloudy day. I figured it'd be packed full of people, but not too many people today at Astro Park. We are at the intersection. Well, it looks like got a good crowd of people waiting for the bus. Beautiful ladies and beautiful babies. Got the Christmas decorations out already. Loose up in the SM. Police out on an outing. Good job, sweetie. Fatima rocking that new Fjallraven backpack. Of course, she got some new shorts. Looks like Supermodel got some new clothes from somewhere. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump. Good job, ladies. I gotta take these ladies to a movie, but the babies are so noisy. I don't know if they could sit through a movie without us probably getting thrown out. Of course, G's so happy. Alright, so of course G tried to take off, go see the clothes. Thought they might have to capture him, corral him up. Okay, ladies, we're going to the Apple store, right? Okay. We weren't paying attention where we was going. And this is the Cyber Zone up here. It's where all of the electronics, cell phones, all that good stuff. Usually in the malls here, you got to hit the second floor to what they call Cyber Zone. If you're looking for any of that good stuff. And we're headed over here to iBook. It's the Apple store. Bought some products from them. That's where Supermodel got her iPhone 13 Pro. And Fatima will come in here and browse the phones. Honey, it's okay to look at the phones, but don't get too close. Don't get too close. Don't touch them. Yeah, that's a 10. Hey, see if they have the new DJI Action 3. There you go. There's the prices of the 13 Pro Max. And then here's the 13 Pro. There's a 13, but they're saying that the 14s are going to be here October 14 on the iPhone 14. And the Pro Max is 1 terabyte, around 111,000 pesos. There you go. Where the babies want to go right here, to the game room. They want to go to the game room. Oh, hey, I'm a winner. Let me win again at this game. Wait for your tickets. Now push the button, Maria. Push the button. Oh no! There's some over there too. Oh, that's the jackpot. Oh no! Come on, jackpot. Oh, it's so close. It's so close to the jackpot, baby. Come on, no. Oh, you got one. Oh, one. This is too funny. So Forrest G's knocked down, right? So she's got to carry him, and she's got the backpack on, and she's got her ponytail up. And meanwhile, Supermodel is in here with her brand new iPhone 14 Pro or 13 Pro. And everybody's asking her, "Ma'am, how long have you been to Yaya?" I'm not the one thinking it, baby.
Look at that.
Put your hair down, then people won't think that. Everybody had a good time. Let's roll, everybody.